In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix missing desktop files on your Windows 11 computer. So if you're missing any of your files or just all of the icons altogether, I'm going to show you how to solve this issue. Now, first go and open up a file explorer, and then over in the left-hand side, click on desktop. Now, you should be able to see all of your desktop files from this list. Now, go and click on the three horizontal dots next to this folder and click on Options. You could then click on View and then go and select Restore Defaults. You could then press Apply and press OK. You'll then also need to click on View, click on Show, and make sure Hidden Items is selected like this. And once you've done that, you can head back over to your desktop and you can check to see if your files are now appearing. If it's not working, go and right-click somewhere on the desktop, click on View and select Show Desktop Icons. As you can see, my icons have now reappeared. If it's still not working, it's likely an issue with OneDrive. So go and click on your OneDrive icon in the bottom right hand side of the taskbar and go and click on Settings. You can then press Settings, click on Account from the left hand side, and then you'll need to go and unlink this PC. As you can see, your OneDrive files will stop syncing and only your local files will now be available. So go and press the Unlink Account button and you can check to see if your desktop files have now reappeared. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.